Welcome to our Yoda interactive flat panel factory. Follow me, let me show you around. Here is our rear panel storage area. Behind me, workers are processing the rear panels. So I will take you to our dust-free workshop. Before entering, we need to put on shoe covers, protective suits, and masks. Then we will enter an air shower area. We wait for 10 seconds. The machine will remove dust and bacteria from us. Once done, we can enter the production workshop. The production line is making interactive smart boards. We have just processed the rear panels. After processing, they move to the light strip assembly area in the clean room. Now, workers on the production line are assembling the light strips. As assembled, we move to the lighting test stage. Workers here carefully check for damaged light on the strips. To the previous steps, we now reach a crucial area. This area is the glass assembly section. Here are the glass and front frames we just assembled. Behind me, workers are assembling the mainboard and the back cover. Yoda is committed to providing our customers with high-quality products at affordable prices. OEM is acceptable. Thank you for your watching and welcome to visit our factory.